Hey, it's Adam Goldfein bringing you the legal information that you need. God forbid you are involved in an automobile accident or someone you love is involved in an auto accident. I'm sitting here with Richard Griffin, one of Atlanta's top personal injury attorneys. Richard, we talk about personal injury claims. A lot of these claims involve low impact, minor injuries. I mean, I would say the bulk of them are that.
Right.
But there are a few claims where, God forbid, a child or a loved one or the driver is actually killed in an automobile accident. Tell me why it's important to have proper representation in the event that there is a death in a motor vehicle accident.
Well, first of all, certainly nothing is going to bring that life back, and no one would want to have a monetary recovery in exchange for someone's life. So it is just such a tragic moment in their life. You have so many emotions, and a personal injury case or a wrongful death case requires a lot of investigation at the very front to make sure that you can prove liability, to make sure that all of the evidence is being secured.
And what if, for example, I'm just going to stop you on this because this is like, you think about so gut-wrenching. If that investigation is not done correctly, what could happen?
Well, you might not get any recovery at all. And when you have a husband or a wife or a child that is wrongfully killed due to the negligence of someone else, the family is going to need to try to regroup and try to replace the lost income, replace, a lot of things in their life. And that getting a recovery for that, or not getting a recovery could hang in the balance.
And what about the recovery itself? Is it always the same? Do they always pay a certain amount of dollars no matter who is killed, or does the value differ?
Well, the value differs a lot, and that's where the attorney can make a huge difference in really digging into the case. I mean, the value of a life is what you're trying to put a number on, and a jury would ultimately do that if you can't reach a settlement. But really figuring out not only the economic loss, the loss of future income, but also the loss to that family and the relationships and the value that person had in that family and in the community.
Now, I know you spend a lot of money and a lot of time doing jury verdict research. Real fast, can you tell us what that is?
Well, jury verdict research allows me to figure out exactly what a likely verdict would be for a given area with a wrongful death or a personal injury case, and that can help the client know what the value of the case is. It can help me in negotiations to be able to get a higher recovery because I can show the adjuster or the defense attorney, hey, you need to pay more, and this is why.
All right, so if you've been involved in an automobile accident or you know someone who has, get the information that you need. Get that jury verdict research. Call Richard Griffin at the phone number that you see on the screen, or you can go to injuryatlanta.com. If you haven't been involved in an auto accident, I can say nothing more important than put that phone number in your cell phone so you have someone you can turn to. God forbid the unexpected happens. You can get the counsel and the advice you need in one of your darkest hours.